Bee and welcome back to another video. We are talking about CRICUT and the relaunch of Bee Drippy. I am super excited to relaunch it. I've been playing around with different fonts, different colors, different styles, different sayings. I mean, I have been playing around with my CRICUT machine. I just bought it and I am loving it. Alright, so why did I wait so long to relaunch? I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I really thought buying everything for a CRICUT machine was super expensive. Like, I thought it was so expensive, I really did, but it's really not. In total, I spent about $400 maybe, and that is the rounding, of course, $200 for the heat press, $200 for the CRICUT. So very inexpensive, and I for some reason thought that all this stuff was going to be like $1,000+. So that's the reason why I waited so long to relaunch. And then I also thought it was going to be super time consuming. I thought it was just going to take hours upon hours upon hours to create these things and to make them and to figure it out, but to be completely honest, it's really not. Like, I mean, it is a bit time consuming, but I mean, it's not like you're gonna spend 12 hours making 3 or 4 shirts. Like, it's really not that. It's not that at all, especially when you have your routine down. Another reason why I waited so long to relaunch was because I thought it was going to be really difficult to learn. I thought it was just going to take some time to figure out, but I literally watched like 2 or 3 YouTube videos and I got it. So it's really easy. It kind of blew my mind on how easy it was compared to how hard I thought it was, because I spent a lot of money on my first round of shirts and I could have just been doing it myself. So yeah, everybody, with that being said, Bee Drippy is relaunching. I do not yet have a relaunch date because I am still playing with prototypes and trying to get a couple things ordered for back order and things of that nature, but it is coming soon, so stay tuned. As always, you can go ahead and already buy my other shirts that I have made in the past on Etsy, so definitely check that out. And with all that being said, you already do like, share, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Bye.